we are looking at how to pronounce these words, one against the other. How are they different? How are they said differently? The one on the top, designating something unique, something quite rare perhaps, is said as special. Special. You do want to stress on the first syllable, but this is a spe sound. The one at the bottom, designating anything from space or that goes into space, is spatial. Spatial. So, two very different words in their meaning and their pronunciation. Special versus spatial. Pretty straightforward, right? Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and using the like buttons. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.